Imagine a world where every piece holds a story, where the simple act of putting together a puzzle becomes a journey of discovery and delight. Now, envision yourself as the architect of this captivating experience, crafting intricately designed puzzles that spark joy and inspire wonder. Welcome to the realm of handmade jigsaw puzzles, where artistry meets ingenuity, and every piece is a masterpiece waiting to be assembled. If you possess a passion for creativity, a love for craftsmanship, and a penchant for puzzles, starting a handmade jigsaw puzzle business could be your ticket to turning your passion into a profitable enterprise. Embarking on this entrepreneurial endeavor requires more than just a knack for putting pieces together. It demands a keen eye for design, a commitment to quality craftsmanship, and a strategic approach to business development. The first step is to define your niche and establish a unique identity in the competitive market. Consider what sets your puzzles apart from mass-produced counterparts and how you can leverage craftsmanship and creativity to create a distinctive brand. Whether it's intricate designs inspired by nature, nostalgic motifs that evoke a sense of nostalgia, or customizable puzzles that cater to specific interests, carving out a niche will help you attract puzzle enthusiasts who appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship of handmade creations. Once you've defined your niche, it's crucial to hone your craft and perfect your puzzle-making skills. Invest in high-quality materials, such as premium wood or recycled cardboard, to ensure durability and longevity. Experiment with different cutting techniques and puzzle shapes to create unique and challenging designs that captivate and engage your audience. Whether it's traditional jigsaw puzzles with interlocking pieces or whimsical shapes that defy convention, strive to create puzzles that not only stimulate the mind but also ignite the imagination. In the age of e-commerce, establishing a strong online presence is essential to reaching your target audience and driving sales. Invest in creating a professional website that showcases your puzzle collections, highlights your craftsmanship, and tells the story behind your brand. High-quality photographs, detailed descriptions, and customer testimonials will help prospective buyers connect with your products and gain confidence in your brand. Additionally, leverage social media platforms and online marketplaces to expand your reach, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. As a handmade puzzle artisan, fostering a sense of community and connection with your customers is crucial to building brand loyalty and driving repeat business. Host virtual puzzle parties, where enthusiasts can come together to share tips, tricks, and stories about their favorite puzzles. Offer personalized puzzle-making workshops or subscription services that allow customers to receive new puzzles regularly and connect with fellow enthusiasts. By creating opportunities for engagement and interaction, you can cultivate a loyal following of puzzle aficionados who eagerly await your latest creations. In addition to direct-to-consumer sales, explore partnerships with retailers, museums, and specialty stores to expand your distribution channels and reach new markets. Collaborate with artists, designers, and illustrators to create limited-edition puzzle collections that appeal to a broader audience and generate buzz within the industry. Consider offering custom puzzle design services for special occasions such as weddings, birthdays, or corporate events, allowing customers to create unique and memorable gifts that reflect their personal style and preferences. As you navigate the intricacies of starting a handmade jigsaw puzzle business, remember that success is not solely measured by profit margins but by the joy and satisfaction your puzzles bring to people's lives. Whether it's the sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a challenging puzzle or the moments of connection and camaraderie shared with loved ones, your creations have the power to inspire, delight, and transcend the ordinary. Embrace the journey ahead with creativity, passion, and determination, knowing that each puzzle you create is a testament to your artistry and craftsmanship, and a testament to the magic of handmade creations.